Hello everyone, myself Mani Sharma from RPIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the disorders of the respiratory system. Respiratory infections. Infection of the respiratory tract can occur in the upper respiratory tract, the lower respiratory tract, both. Organisms capable of the infecting respiratory structure including the bacteria, viruses, the majority of the upper respiratory tract infection and the infections are caused by the viruses as the rhinovirus and the para influenza virus fungi. Depending upon the organisms and extent of the infection, the symptoms can range from the mild to severe and even life-threatening. The respiratory tract is protected by a number of the very effective defense mechanism. For an organism to reach the lower respiratory tract, the organism must be particularly virulent and present in very large number of host defense barrier must be weakened factor that might weakens the respiratory defenses barrier. Cigarette smoking, which can paralyze the cilia lining the cells of the respiratory passage and impair the removal of the secretions, particles, and the microorganisms. The presence of the respiratory pathogens such as the cold or influenza viruses. The upper respiratory infections. The common cold, the most common viral pathogens for the common cold are the rhinovirus, parainfluenza virus, respiratory syncytial virus and the adenovirus and coronavirus. They enter body through the mucous membranes of the nose and eyes. They are readily spread from person to person via the respiratory secretions. Manifestations of the common cold include rhinitis, inflammations of the nasal mucosa, sinus are the inflammation of the sinus mucosa, pharyngitis, inflammation of the pharynx and throat, headache, nasal discharge and congestion. Upper respiratory tract infections are the symptoms headache, fever, chill, muscle ache, nasal discharge, unproductive cough, sore throat. Influenza infection can cause the marked inflammation of the respiratory epithelium and a loss of the ciliated cells that protect the respiratory passage from other organisms. As a result, influenza infections may lead to the co-infections of the respiratory passage with bacteria. It is also possible for influenza viruses to infect the tissue of the lung itself to cause a viral pneumonia. Treatment of influenza bed rest. There are the fluid warmth. Influenza vaccines provide the protection against certain A and B influenza strains that are expected to be prevalent in a certain year. The vaccine must be updated and administered yearly to be effective, but will not effective in against the influenza strain not included in the vaccines. The influenza vaccine is advised for elderly people in individuals weakened by other disease and healthcare workers. Fevers in cold rare, influenza 39 to 40 degree, headache rare. In case of influenza usual, body ache is mild. In case of influenza severe, weakness is mild, may last 3 weeks. Extreme fatigue unusual usual. Nasal congestion in cold common and influenza common. Sneezing in case of cold is common and influenza sometimes. Sore throat is common in case of influenza common. Chest discomfort mild and more severe in case of influenza. In today's class I discuss about the influenza. Thank you for watching.